With its elevated heel counter, perforated vamp, trademark undulating texture lines, and smooth cream foam body, the design initially seems to be no different from any other general release in the series. When examining the medial wall more closely, however, one can see a small imprint of Wilson's own logo, a stylized star, pressed into the foam above the forefoot. Being the first React X Rejuven8 to be explicitly associated with a Nike athlete, the subtle branding makes this pair unique. This clog demonstrates Nike's ongoing efforts to extend player influence into lifestyle designs, even in simple executions, even if Wilson has seen PE footwear on the court in the past. A low-profile stance for casual use, contoured ventilation for breathability, and a full React foam construction for underfoot support and recovery are all still present in the comfort technology. The A1 version provides a recognizable yet novel take on these styles, which are in high demand, particularly among sportsmen who are not on duty.